Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable lock screen wallpaper services or glance on Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. The Settings app is where all the magic happens. You can change everything from display settings to privacy, security, and more. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Type Wallpaper Services into the search bar. After a few seconds, search results will appear. Look carefully. On some models, this option might show up under different categories like Advanced Features, Accessibility, or Wallpaper and Style. Step 4. Once you find the correct result, tap on Wallpaper Services and tap again. This will open up the screen where you can choose or disable your lock screen wallpaper provider, including Glance. Step 5. For the last and most important step, now for the final and most important step. If lock screen wallpaper services or Glance is currently enabled, just tap on it and choose None from the available options. Then confirm by tapping Apply. That's it. You've successfully disabled Glance or any other lock screen wallpaper service. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.